Hi, this is George. In this video, we are going to see about double spread in Banknifty. Before getting into the video, please do subscribe to this channel. Also join our Telegram channel for instant updates and do like the video if you genuinely like it. Let's get into the video. So this is again an interesting strategy where it is a very limited risk strategy. The capital required is again very less. It is only 60,000. So the risk is also be like very much less. So if you are a beginner, you can try this. Even if you are like good in trading also, after seeing this video, if it is like fascinating for you, the reason being it again gives a very good return on investment, you can try this as well. So it is not just for beginners, for experience also. You can see the video and you can decide for yourself. So what is double spread? We are going to do spread in both the sides, that is call side and put side. So in this video, I have given manual backtesting for the last 24 weeks in Banknifty weekly options. So this strategy was something like it was like given by one of my follower or subscriber. I'm not sure, but this person has commented on my previous videos saying this strategy and asking me to do backtest for this. So I did backtest and I found it is really good. So thanks to Mr. Shager who that person is who has given me this idea. So if you are seeing this, I think you can use this as well. So in this again, no adjustment absolutely. You can like very much suitable for working professionals and part-time traders. Disclaimer: this is just only for education purpose. Please do your own research before taking any trade. This is not a recommendation, but just my view. So entry. So just like every other videos, we are going to enter at previous week expiry at 9:30 a.m. and we'll be exiting at the expiry day at 9:30 a.m. And the strategy is we are going to buy one lot of put and call option 300 points away from ATM, and we are going to sell one lot of call and put 500 points from ATM, which means say suppose Bank Nifty is at 38,000, we buy one lot of 38,300 call and 37,700 put, which is 300 points away from 38,000, and we'll be selling one lot of 38,500 call and 37,500 put, which is 500 points away from the ATM. So this is the strategy that was like recommended or suggested by Mr. Shager. But in this video, what we are going to see is, in addition to that, I have tried doing this as well, like buying one lot of OTM call and put option 500 points from ATM, also selling one lot of OTM call and put 800 points away from ATM, which is nothing but say suppose Bank Nifty is again at 38,000, we buy one lot of 38,500 call and 37,500 put option, which is 500 points away from ATM, and we'll be selling one lot of 38,800 call and 37,200 put, which is 800 points away from ATM. So we are going to compare these two strategies and see which is going to perform better and which we can choose. It is not like case of like which is better, which is not better. Whichever is suitable for you, and knowing the risk appetite, you can choose whichever is applicable for you. So this is what we have seen for the first one, which is 300 points up we are buying and 500 points up we are selling, up or down, which is like both the sides, right? So same thing, this is 500 points up or buy, like 500 points up or we are buying, and 800 points up we are going to sell. So the results is, you can see like in both the cases, you can see like out of the 6 months only, and September it is like I have not given till only September 15th. 2 more weeks are left. Actually September 22nd week is already over, but by the time I'm recording this video, or by the time I like gathered the data, September 22 week was not yet over, so it's 2 more weeks is pending. So till then it is 0% return for this month. We also saw 0% month in the month of August. Maximum was in the month of July 4%, and rest of the month it is like 1%, 3%. Nothing big has happened. But if you come to this strategy, you can see like 2%, 2%, 13% in July, and minus 2% in August, and September you already earned 1%. So overall you can get 17% here and 11% here. The capital also, like in this case, as it is like little near to ATM, it is 60,000 is the capital required, and in this case it is like 55,000 is the capital required. So capital also little less here, and profit also little more we are getting here. So maybe this is a good strategy, but I will like show both of them in OpsTop so that you can see what is the difference between two and which one you should choose as per your wish or as per your risk appetite. So this is for the last week of September, that is September 15th, that I have given in this one below, like September 15th in both the cases. So this is the first case where market at 9:30 of 8th September, which is a Thursday. So you can see like ATM is 39,800. So 300 points up we are buying 40,100, and 300 points we are buying again put option 39,500, and we are selling 4,300 call and 39,300 put. After in this setup, you can see like the payoff chart will be looking like this, where you will get maximum profit of 1,300 and maximum loss of 3,680 odd. And this is the second case where 500 points away we are buying, you can see, and 800 points away we are selling. In this risk reward, you can see like max profit is 3,148, max loss is 4,350. Now you can see like here the maximum risk we are taking is so much, because maximum profit is only 1,300 and we are taking risk of like more than 2.5 times than the max profit. But in this case, we are not even like having risk of more than 1.5 times. 3,148 we are getting, and max loss is only 4,351. But the catch here is like the break-even points. You can see the break-even is a little narrow. 39,353. If it moves away, it will be starting to earn some money. And similarly here, 40,250 almost, you will start making some money in your pocket. But in this case, you have to move further. 39,125 and 44,75, which is almost say 225 points from what we are seeing from the first case. So you can see a broader like red zone here. Here it is little narrow. So whenever you feel like market is going to bounce, maybe like more points, but in this case, more points is like, see, ATM is already 39,800. So you need to move only 450 points from the ATM, which is not so much, I'll say. And here in this case, it is like almost 700 points. The market has to move, which again, I won't say it's a very big thing, but it is totally up to you to decide. And also you have the data to like justify whether you have to go or not, because you can see like how many negative months are there, 1, 2, 3. You can count it off in your lesser time. Here also you can see here it might be like more, because it is broader, whereas here it was narrow. So the number of weeks which were negative were more maybe, but the profit earned can be like, see here you can the maximum profit here can be like only 1,600 is the maximum profit you're seeing. But in this case, you are saying 3,150, again here 3,150, 3,220, 3,300, 3,400, that way. Similarly, loss also be more, minus 2,300, minus 2,800, minus 3,000. Whereas here it will be little lesser, because you saw in the payoff chart like there the maximum loss was 3,150 something, 3,650 I think, and here it was 4,350. And one more thing is like, as we are like closing the trade on the 15th of the like morning 9:30, you can see like the T+1 chart will be, T+0 chart will be like not in the morning, it will not like take you to the entire loss. It will be like somewhere near by only, like if max loss is 3,681, maybe you will be in the loss of somewhere around 2,600 or 2,800. Similarly, in this case, if you are in the max loss zone, you might be in loss of 3,000 or 3,200. So you can exit as well. So you need not take the entire loss. So it's totally up to you to decide which strategy is suitable for you. But again, I would like to thank Mr. Segar for giving this strategy. So I have not used this strategy till now in live trading, but after seeing this, it's really interesting for me, and I have started doing this. Just started. So hopefully this will be a very good strategy going forward. So in the next video, again, we will see some other interesting strategy or any educational thing. So until then, bye, George. Thank you.